Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
It's always best not to extract a teeth. But if you already extracted a tooth or if you have lost some teeth, please make sure that you keep it back using some of the treatments which is available. One of the treatments are bridges. Bridges take support from the rest of the teeth. Most of the people ask me whether it will hurt or it will damage the rest of the tooth. But what we have seen is we have done bridges for past 40 years. Our clinic has been running for more than 55 years. All these years we have done bridges and to replace teeth, and we have seen bridges that last for 40 years or more than that. It's a great treatment plan because it doesn't, so it is all dependent on the tooth itself. So let us talk about the cost of bridges and what exactly is the cost that you can expect. So how do you determine the cost of? The main thing what most of the doctors talk about is actually the types of bridges. Like there are different types of bridges. That is, one is cantilevered bridges like Maryland bridge and things like that. Sometimes it is stuck to both the teeth, sometimes it is stuck to one tooth, or sometimes it is stuck to so many other teeth. So that is different types of bridges. So that each, see how many teeth is needs. See, if you want to keep one tooth, how many teeth is required? At least 2 teeth is required. If it is a periodontally affected teeth which is actually going to support, we need more teeth to support it because that will act like a splint. So that is also very important. So number of teeth determines. If you might say that there is only one tooth to be cut. So if there is multiple teeth supporting it for just one tooth, then the span of the bridge increases, the number of units increases. Span of the bridge is exactly one of the costs. See, it is always charged per unit. So, or how many teeth supports the teeth and how many teeth are replaced. So together that is the number of teeth. So see, most of the doctors, when you call up or when you ask what is the cost of it, they'll talk per unit cost. Per unit it costs between around 2,000 to up to 20 or 25,000 rupees. So what are the why the unit cost between 2,000 to 25,000 rupees is because there are lots of material which is available, from copper to steel. Some people use Vitalium, then it comes to precious metal, then it comes to ceramic, then it comes to zirconia, then it comes to Emax, and lot of varieties of teeth are available to replace your bridge. So there are a lot of materials available and there are a lot of warranties available. That means that, see, the company itself will give, the company which is producing this material or the ceramic or the metal, they give you a warranty to the lab. The lab will transfer that warranty to the clinic. The clinic will give the warranty to the patient. So the warranties also comes with a price because they have to, if at all something happens, then they have to do it, or they have a better quality of material. So that means that also comes for a price. So depending on the quality of the material, depending on the material that is used, and depending on the expertise of the doctor, the unit prices differ. There are allied costs to it. Sometimes you may have to take x-rays to the bridge. So most of the time we need it. So if the doctor is going to charge extra for that, that is an extra cost. If there needs to be some allied procedures like root canal treatments, sometimes core build-ups, sometimes there needs to be fillings to be done, that if they are charging for all these things, then that's an extra cost. If there are posts to be done, means like if the tooth is actually weak, or sometimes we need some other reinforcements for the tooth so that you can keep the bridge there, so then that cost will be there. If there is a gingival surgery required, that's an allied cost. All these costs, so it needs a personalized consultation, and it also requires a lot of allied procedures, and if they are going to charge for that, that is going to be a different cost. So it is of no use calling up and asking what is the cost of the bridge or how much is it for charging this thing. So you might need a detailed consultation to understand what exactly is this, and most of the time a temporary also might be charged. So sometimes they give it as a package, all the allied cost comes into that. That's the best way, because then you don't have to worry about it. If there is a temporary which is charged, if there is a all the disposables are charged separately, if there is no warranty is given, and if there is a checkup cost to the bridge, all these things will add to the cost of the bridge. So please ask all these things. What is your warranty? What is your terms and conditions of maintenance? What is the temporary cost if at all required? If there are any allied costs like x-rays or fillings to be done under the bridge and things like that, will it cost extra? All these questions, gingival costs, or if whether any reinforcements is required, all this has to be discussed with the dentist. Otherwise you will lose the money and you will not be happy with the best bridge which is kept there, because you are not happy with what you paid, because that is not what you agreed to, because you asked only for a per unit cost of a bridge and you never thought that there will be extra cost coming to it. So cementation cost and things like that, or any other allied cost, please ask them, so that you will have a very happy and very good communication between the dentist and you. So please send this video to all the people who are going to do the bridges. Please ask them to get a package done. Well, this is the price which is there. Understand about the products, because I have talked about all the types of bridges and types of products of bridges and things like that. Please watch all these videos before you start doing a bridge, and you are always welcome to give us comments, and you give us your experience and give us all your suggestions to improve the videos and things like that. Please subscribe and send it to all your friends, so that they'll also understand more about it. There is no point in saying that, okay, we are trimming the tooth to get a bridge done, so please don't do it. Please understand that whether you are putting an implant, you have to trim the bone to do it. If you are doing a bridge, you have to trim the tooth to do it. So bridge and implant are very good treatments. So it's all about planning, and it's all about checking whether that suits best for what suits best for you. Please make sure that that is done. And thank you very much for watching. I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental at Marine Drive. Please make sure that you keep on watching, and God bless you all.
Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.